Hello and thanks for stopping by. If you are a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So it's been a minute, but I'm back. Today we are going to be preparing some potato wedges. That is quite a simple meal to prepare. This is a very simple snack to prepare, and so for ingredients we have potatoes that I've already sliced. This is the mixed vegetable spice that I make, and some grated ginger, and a generous amount of salt. We'll start by preparing our potatoes. We'll drain the cold water, add warm water, and a very generous amount of salt. We stir this and let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then we can continue with the cooking process. So it's been about 40 minutes, and now we are going to strain this water. Then we can add our spices and a bit of food color, but food color is very optional. Then we can let it set for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we can continue. We'll add half the amount of the vegetable spices, a little bit of salt, and food color. This is orange food color, just to give it some little color. Also, at this point, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So in the meantime, we can be making our dipping sauce. And I want a hot and sweet dipping sauce. Though my hot and sweet is over, I'll be using this chili sauce that I bought a few months ago, but I do not use it because I do not like it. So that's what you're going to use here, and we're also going to add some sugar and some honey so that it can become a little bit sweet. I'm not running away, I'm not running away.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So we'll serve this. So people, this is our dipping sauce, and these are our potato wedges that are perfectly baked, and it's now time to taste. The edges are very crispy. And the sauce is just perfect. It's hot and it's sweet at the same time. It's a bite from my side. and see you in my next video. Bye. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are a returning wedges, that is quite a simple meal to prepare, and it's so it's been about 40 minutes, and the salt has already diffused or osmosized inside the potatoes. And now we are going to strain this water, then we can add our spices. Bye from my side, and see you in my next video. Bye.